and welcome everyone to the 2019 ISPE Annual Meeting here in the city of Las Vegas.
I want to thank all of you for coming because it's really made this tremendously successful.
Everyone is essential and valuable to the success of our organization. Working together in sync, we learn, we grow, we prosper, and we have fun.
I hope that with our collective exchange of knowledge and expertise, we can accelerate and facilitate biopharmaceutical excellence, and thereby play our part in manufacturing the next generation of quality medicines. And why not? Since we're in the city of dreams, the manufacturing of drugs that can eventually become cures.
My new normal is not simply living with MS, but rising above it and not permitting it to define me.
This group as the group that makes the medicines that are, these miracle inventions of the 21st century. You all are making them a reality for patients every day.
So you see, great science, as exciting as it can be, great medicine is not enough today. We need to ensure access for every single person living with the disease who may benefit from a medicine.